Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT without internet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you can use ChatGPT with limited or no internet access in a few different ways depending on what you mean by without internet. So we can use the desktop or mobile app offline, which is limited, so that official apps from OpenAI may still open without internet, but ChatGPT itself normally needs an internet connection because the AI models run on these remote servers. So without internet, you can typically view past conversations already loaded on your device, draft messages offline, use cache content, but usually you cannot generate new AI responses until reconnecting. So we can also run a local AI model on your computer. So if you want a ChatGPT-like experience completely offline, you can run open source large language models locally. So popular options include Olama, LM Studio, GPT for all. These let you download AI models once, then you can chat offline. So some common AI models is Llama 3, Mistral, and Gemma. So the typical setup with these: install one of the models or the tools above, download a model, and then start chatting locally with no internet.